我们这一片土地啊，用了细美壮这一支细肥之后，它对土壤也改善了很多。相对的，我们的肥料跟农药使用的量也减少，次数也相对的减少，所以这一个是一个很好的有机的一个肥料。
从原本这一块要荒废的葡萄园里面，然后它使用了我们的那个细酸钾搭配的植材的一起使用，它真正的改善了植株它的根系的发展。在葡萄的萌芽期之间，它提高了大约差不多有50%以上的萌芽率。在花期着果率的话，它几乎是已经达到快要有70%的着果率。今年在卓兰这个地区，它的那个实葡萄的几率很高，可是，在我们试验的这一块园区里面，实葡萄的几率却是很少。
最近的雨害，然后一般都会有裂果，但是我们像这一次来的话，裂果的几率很低，几乎很少。然后在接近采收的时候，我们有尝试它果实的风味啦、甜度啦，还有色泽啊，真的是比以前好太多了。
硒是一个很好的辅助品，可作为平时的保养及预防。后续它还是有帮助在果实啊，还有它的那个蔬菜上面的风味及它的品质都会增加。
这么好的东西的话，一定会推荐给我们的农友。好山好水的地方，所以种植出来的葡萄肯定要推荐给大家。
Welcome to the 2021 Taiwan Smart Agri Week online streaming. I'm your host today. My name is Jim, and it's my honor to be here to share the information of the agriculture. And about this exhibition, it will begin from December 2nd to the 4th at Nangang 展览馆2馆. And for this time, today we are very glad to invite AUO Crystal Corporation, Mr. Leo Pong, to come to here to share about their company and their product and also their technology. Okay, so Mr. Leo, could you please say hi to the audience online?
Hello, everyone.
Okay, and first of all, I want to ask about, could you introduce your company briefly?
Okay. Hi, everyone. My name is Leo, an engineer from AUO Crystal Corporation. AUO Crystal Corporation, referred to as ACC, was established by AUO Group in 2009. Originally known as AUO Energy Corporation and renamed to ACC in 2010. ACC is a professional monocrystalline silicon material provider. We provide fully customized solutions on silicon-based material such as solar wafers and semiconductor wafers. In recent years, ACC is dedicated to developing multiple applications of silicon materials, such as functional drinking water or silicon-based anode materials. And agricultural silicon liquid fertilizer agent is one of the development directions.
Okay, so I think many people maybe want to know what's the reason that silicon manufacturing company want to step into the agriculture field and develop fertilizer product. Could you tell the audience?
Okay. The product introduced today is called potassium orthosilicate. The initial purpose of the product development is to deal with the silicon powder byproducts during the wafer's production process. Finally, we decided to make this high-purity silicon powder into the agricultural materials. On the one hand, the byproducts can be reused more valuably, and on the other hand, it can also meet the concept of sustainable use of natural resources.
Okay, so next question is, what's the unique features of your company, your product?
Yeah. The main function of the potassium orthosilicate is to supplement the available silicon that is lacking in the plant and the rhizosphere. Potassium orthosilicate, different from other agricultural silicon materials such as silica slag, is made from a high purity silicon product and is made by a special patented process. Therefore, the characteristics of our product are: first, there is no risk of any toxic heavy metal residues. Second, it can be absorbed and utilized directly by plants. In general, solid form of silicon, such as silicate or silica, can be absorbed by plants, and it must become an ionic state to enter the plant tissues.
Okay, so I think many people also want to know what the effect of silicon on plant.
Silicon is a beneficial element for any plant and has the following benefits. First, once the silicon enters the plant, it will form a layer of structure named phytoliths. The phytoliths can enhance the strength of plant tissue to reduce the shedding. Once it reduces the shedding, it can promote the photosynthesis capacity and facilitate the plant growth. And the phytoliths also can increase the resistance to plant disease, insect pests, and some environmental stresses, such as the salinity stress, cold injury, heat damage, or waterlogging. Silicon also can reduce the heavy metal damage to the plants.
Wow.
And promote the plant growth to increase the yields and the crop quality. Because of these multiple functions, farmer can reduce the usage of the chemical fertilizer and chemical pesticides as long as they're using our product, potassium orthosilicate, on their crops. It is considered that proper use of silicon material is the most strategy to the agriculture management.
Okay, so I think it's very interesting. And I also want to ask you about how to use your product. Many people want to know it.
Yeah. There's two ways to use our product onto the plants. First way is the foliar application. Second is the soil irrigation. For the foliar application, we dilute our product with water about 1,000 to 2,000 times and spread it on the branches and the leaves of plants every 2 weeks. For the soil irrigation, we also dilute our product with water about 500 to 1,000 times and irrigate to the soil monthly. Our product, potassium orthosilicate, also can be used for the greenhouse irrigation facilities or combined with the spraying drum. And it could be the solution to the shortage of agricultural manpower nowadays.
Okay, so there's the last question, okay?
Yeah, okay.
Is there any other product development plan of your company?
Except for the potassium orthosilicate, AC launched a series of products with different formulations, such as chelated calcium formula or biochar formula. With these different formula products, we can expand the application scope of crops and bring more benefits to the plants.
Okay, so I also want to ask about if the customers or the audience are interested in your technology and your products. Yeah. How can we contact you?
Our our booth is on the P406, or the audience can go to the online booth to visit our booth, and I will still keep it here today. So welcome everybody to visit us for the further understanding. Yeah.
Yes, just like everyone know, tomorrow is the last day of the exhibition. So if you are interested in about this technology, you can visit the booth number is P406, and Leo will be there all day.
Yeah, all day.
Okay, so maybe somebody will go to visit you. Is it okay?
Oh, welcome.
Okay, so ladies and gentlemen, we invite you to come to the booth number P4066, and Leo will be there. And remember, tomorrow is the last day of this exhibition, and we'll see you next time. The next online streaming is at 3